Today, we embark on an exciting journey as we delve into the intricacies of the highly anticipated Nokia X600. Set your calendars for the launch date in 2023, where Nokia, a brand synonymous with innovation, will unveil its latest masterpiece. Mark your calendars for the grand unveiling of the Nokia X600 and get ready to witness the next evolution in smartphone technology. Nokia, a name that resonates with reliability and innovation, is back to redefine the smartphone experience with the Nokia X600. The Nokia X600, a fusion of elegance and power, promising to elevate your smartphone experience to new heights. While the price is yet to be announced, the Nokia X600 is expected to offer incredible value for your investment. Stay connected with the world on the go with 2G, 3G, 4G, and the lightning-fast 5G network support. Equipped with a micro SIM slot, the Nokia X600 also supports dual SIM functionality for added convenience. Experience blazing fast internet speeds with HSBA, LTE, and 5G, reaching up to 1.9 gigabits per second download speed. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth version 5.2 and Wi-Fi support across various frequencies, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. Crafted with precision, the Nokia X600 boasts a sleek design featuring front and back glass panels for a premium look and feel. Express your style with the available color options, white and gray. Embrace the future with the punch-hole display design, blending aesthetics with functionality. While not water-resistant, the Nokia X600 excels in durability and style. Immerse yourself in a cinematic viewing experience with a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display and FHD Plus resolution of 2600 by 1080 pixels. Pixel density and aspect ratio. Enjoy crisp visuals with a pixel density of 405 ppi and an immersive 20:9 aspect ratio. Corning Gorilla Glass ensures durability, protecting your device from scratches and accidental drops. Experience smooth interactions with a 120Hz refresh rate, capacitive multi-touch, and HDR10+ support. Capture every moment in stunning detail with a triple 108-megapixel back camera and a 32-megapixel front camera. Record your memories in 4K Ultra HD with EuroIS for stable and high-quality videos. Explore a myriad of camera features, including night camera, portrait, photo, video, and many more. Experience the latest in Android technology with the Nokia X600 running on Android 12. Enjoy a user-friendly interface, seamlessly integrated with the power of Android. Empowering the Nokia X600 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G chipset, ensuring swift and efficient performance. An octa-core CPU clocked at up to 2.8 GHz and Adreno 740 GPU combined to deliver a smooth and responsive user experience. Multitask effortlessly with 12 GB of RAM and store all your data with ample 512 GB of internal storage. While there's no external card slot, the Nokia X600 is equipped with a range of sensors, including Face ID, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, e-compass, gyroscope, and fingerprint sensor. Powering the Nokia X600 is a robust 5000 mAh Li-Poly battery, ensuring long-lasting performance. Charge up in no time with 80W fast charging support, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Enjoy your favorite tunes with MP3, MIDI, WAV, and AMR audio playback, coupled with immersive video playback capabilities. Stay entertained on the airwaves with FM radio support and dual speakers for a rich audio experience. Experience top-notch security with Face Unlock and ultra-fast in-display fingerprint unlock features. Unbox the Nokia X600 to find a handset, battery, charger and cable, earphones, back cover, and warranty/guarantee card. Rest easy with a 1-year warranty from Nokia. The Nokia X600 is proudly manufactured in China. As we eagerly await the launch of the Nokia X600 in 2023, it's clear that Nokia is set to redefine the smartphone landscape once again. Stay tuned for more updates, and until then, this is signing off. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future of mobile technology.